Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Google Form. Now for us to get this done, first things first, let's head over to Google, and from here we're going to go ahead and click this Google Apps right here. We're going to go ahead and scroll down and locate the forms. Go ahead and open that one, and there you go. So there are going to be different templates that are already available here at the top. You can go ahead and click the template gallery right here in order to find which one is gonna be better for you. But if, say for example, you want to start from the scratch, go ahead and click blank form right here, and then go ahead and title this form however you want. I'm gonna go ahead and call this one, say for example, sample form, sample registration form. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and make sure that is renamed as well, and then you can go ahead and enter a description here. I'm gonna go ahead and put here sample description. Now, from this point forward, you can actually go ahead and start putting questions here. Say, for example, this is question number 1. I'm just going to go ahead, put here question 1, option 1, and then if you want to add another option, just click this one right here, click this, and so on. You can go ahead and make changes, edit these. You can also go ahead and click this to add image. Now, what if, say, for example, you want to add another question? You can go ahead and click this one right here. But let's say, for example, the next question that you want to add is different. Now, instead of multiple choice, you can click this one, and there are different choices here that you can choose from. Now, another thing that's very important, when you are going to make question, make sure that you are going to set this required button right here if it is required. If it is not, however, you can just go ahead and turn that off. Now, what if, say, for example, you want to enter into a new page? You can go ahead and basically add a section. You can click this one right here, and this is going to be section number 2. And then still the same, go ahead and add description. And then if you want to add question, click this. Still the same thing. And yeah, basically here are the tools that you're going to be needing. This is for adding questions. This is for importing questions. However, take note though that due to some formatting, this could be a little bit tricky. Now, add title and description, adding images, adding videos, adding sections. So that's just what we did right now. And if, say, for example, you want to see how this is going to look like, there is an option here to preview. Go ahead and click that over there, and here is going to look like, and you're going to know if it's required when there is this asterisk right here. It says indicates required question, so click this, and then for this one I can just go ahead and click next, and here are the next things. So yep, this is the easiest way to do that one. You can head over back here, click this one to customize the theme, and choose basically whatever you want from this point forward. Again, everybody, that's the easiest way in order to create Google Form